Eating a balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Today, I'm sharing practical tips on how you can enjoy nutritious meals without breaking the bank. From planning your meals to smart shopping strategies, let's dive into how you can eat well on a budget. Meal planning is a game changer when it comes to eating well economically. Here's how you can get started. Plan your meals weekly. Spend a few minutes each week planning your meals. This helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you're eating a variety of foods. Create a shopping list. Based on your meal plan, make a detailed shopping list. Stick to this list to avoid buying unnecessary items. Batch cooking. Prepare large quantities of meals and freeze portions. This saves time and money, and you'll always have a healthy meal ready to go. Smart shopping is key to eating a balanced diet on a budget. Here are some tips. Buy in bulk. Items like grains, beans, and frozen vegetables are often cheaper when bought in bulk. Choose generic brands. Store brands are usually just as good as name brands and are often significantly cheaper. Shop seasonal. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are not only fresher but also more affordable. Avoid processed foods. Prepackaged and processed foods are usually more expensive and less nutritious. Cooking at home is one of the best ways to save money and ensure you're eating a balanced diet. Here's why. Control ingredients. You know exactly what goes into your food, allowing you to make healthier choices. Less waste. You can use leftovers creatively to make new meals, reducing food waste. Cost-effective. Cooking in batches and using simple ingredients can significantly cut down your food costs. When you're trying to eat economically, it's important to choose foods that are both affordable and nutrient-dense. Here are some examples. Whole grains, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat pasta are inexpensive and provide essential nutrients. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are great sources of protein and fiber. Vegetables, carrots, potatoes, and leafy greens are nutrient-dense and budget-friendly. Fruits, apples, bananas, and seasonal fruits are affordable and packed with vitamins. Proteins, eggs, canned tuna, and chicken thighs are economical sources of protein. Reducing food waste not only saves money but also helps the environment. Here's how you can do it. Use leftovers. Be creative with leftovers. For example, yesterday's roasted vegetables can be today's soup. Proper storage. Store food correctly to extend its shelf life. For example, keep vegetables in the crisper drawer and store grains in airtight containers. First in, first out. Use older items before new ones. This practice helps ensure nothing goes to waste. Let's talk about some affordable recipes that are both delicious and nutritious. Vegetable stir-fry. Use a mix of fresh or frozen vegetables and serve over brown rice or whole grain noodles. Chili. Combine beans, tomatoes, and spices for a hearty and inexpensive meal. Oatmeal. A simple and nutritious breakfast. Add fruits and nuts for extra flavor and nutrients. Egg-based dishes. Eggs are versatile and affordable. Try making omelets, frittatas, or scrambled eggs with vegetables. Snacking can be part of a balanced diet if done wisely. Here are some budget-friendly, healthy snacks. Fruits and vegetables, carrot sticks, apple slices, and banana halves are all great options. Homemade popcorn. It's much cheaper and healthier than store-bought versions. Yogurt. Buy plain yogurt in large containers and add your own fruit or honey. Nuts and seeds. Buy in bulk and portion them out into snack-sized servings. Maintaining a balanced diet has numerous benefits, including improved health, reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Increased energy, provides the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Better mood, good nutrition can positively impact your mental health and mood. Eating a balanced diet economically is definitely achievable with some planning and smart choices. Remember to plan your meals, shop smart, cook at home, choose nutrient-dense foods, reduce food waste, and enjoy affordable recipes. By following these tips, you can nourish your body and mind without straining your wallet. Thanks for watching, and happy eating!